Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. A couple of days ago on Facebook, somebody was complaining about JDS's leatherette coasters or something in leatherette, and they weren't getting a consistent. And a good friend of mine, Jason Ram with Syntex powder coating and laser engraving, embroidery, and direct-to-film print, suggested make sure you have it set on RGB. Now I use JDS's settings. Every year I go to the show and I get these samples, and I just went off their website. It may be a little bit hot, but this one was RGB. This one's CMYK. Look at the difference. And if you look, this one's RGB. This one's CMYK. Laser engravers want to use RGB, and this is one of the reasons. In wood, the difference is probably minute. Now, so this is a truer black, so that's why I probably, that's why I pick up these samples. They're you can go to any show that JDS has set up, and they'll give you a sample of these. The other colors probably don't do this, and I could have, with the sample, I could run another one here and maybe, but I did it off their website. And their website is pretty cool. You just go to the coasters, and right here on all their products, it'll go to how to, and they'll tell you, with a 60 watt laser that I had, 600 dots per 100 power at 30 power, 100 speed at 30 power. And so they've done tests. And, they've actually probably got a little video on this, looks like. They're even, I'm not trying to brag on them, but they do have a lot of stuff. If you've never used JDS Industries, thousands and thousands of engravable items. But anyway, Jason answered your question, and I probably wouldn't even have thought about it. But, seeing that side by side, look at the difference. I mean, you can see the ripples of the leatherette still there, and this is not acceptable. Kind of hard to tell in the text. But anyway, hope that, so make sure when you're laser engraving, use RGB. And if we set these two side by side, let me take away the outline. Look at the difference in the black. I mean, this is CMYK's black, and this is RGB black. There's quite a bit of difference. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.